thank thee for watching over our journey and for another day free of misfortune. We ask for thine continued guidance and blessings as we seek to join our brothers and sisters in Paradise Valley. Please help us keep our faith strong, our minds pure, and our bodies safe so that they may continue to do thy work. We thank thee for the food we are about to partake and all the bounty you so mercifully bestow.
Amen. Let's eat. Tommy Mason.
Behind the train and deep in the mountains, Hayes Cooper had been following a trail of iron-shod horses, more than a dozen of them. The rain the night before had wiped out all traces, and Cooper was left with just